Today the topic is two-phase systems. So specific Gibbs energy for pure spaces does not change during phase transition such as melting, vaporization or sublimation. So for this, consider pure liquid in equilibrium with its vapor in a piston cylinder arrangement at temperature T and corresponding vapor pressure Psat. When differential amount of liquid is caused to evaporate at constant temperature and pressure, then d of Ng is equal to 0. Since number of moles N is constant, dZ is equal to 0. So for this, the molar Gibbs energy of vapor is identical with that of liquid. For two phases, alpha and beta of pure spaces coexisting at equilibrium, G power alpha is equal to Z power beta. So G power alpha and G power beta are molar Gibbs energies of individual phases. So if we consider two phases coexist in equilibrium, then dZ power alpha is equal to dZ power beta. So in place of dZ, we can substitute V power alpha dPsat minus S power alpha dt. Similarly, dZ power beta is V power beta dPsat minus S power beta dt. So rearranging this equation, dPsat by dt is equal to S power beta minus S power alpha by V power beta minus V power alpha. So this can be written as delta S power alpha beta by delta V power alpha beta. So entropy change delta S power alpha beta and volume change delta V power alpha beta are changes which occur when a unit amount of pure chemical species is transferred from phase alpha to phase beta at equilibrium temperature and pressure. So the latent heat of phase transition becomes delta H power alpha beta is equal to T delta S power alpha beta. So delta S power alpha beta is equal to delta H power alpha beta by T. So substituting this equation in above equation, dPsat by dt becomes equal to delta H power alpha beta by T delta V power alpha beta. So this equation is known as Clapeyron equation. So for the phase transition from liquid L to vapor V, this equation can be written as dPsat by dt becomes equal to delta H power LV by T delta V power LV. So in this way we can derive the equations for the two-phase systems for enthalpy and entropy. So this is the Clapeyron equations, and also we can derive the Clausius-Clapeyron equation also. Thank you very much.